Hello everyone. So Firebase team just launched AI powered apps with Firebase AI logic. Let's go through this blog post. Firebase mission is to help you transform your apps with the power of generative AI. We are continuing to invest in robust frameworks, SDKs and toolings to help streamline integrating AI experience in your app. Last year we introduced Vertex AI in Firebase, enabling mobile and web apps to access the Vertex AI Gemini APIs. On the client side, we also launched GenKit, designed for leveraging Gemini and other models in server-side scenarios. Together, these offerings help you build a robust AI-powered solution. Meet Firebase AI Logic. Today, we are announcing the evolution of Vertex AI in Firebase to Firebase AI Logic. Easily integrate generative AI into your apps, either directly via client-side access without setting up a backend, or through GenKit for robust server-side implementations. As part of this evolution, we are also launching a new features for both Firebase AI Logic client integration and GenKit framework. On the client side, you now have access to the Gemini Developer API hybrid and on-device inference capabilities, support for Unity, image generation and editing with Gemini, and enhanced observability in AI monitoring dashboard. On the server side, for Node.js, you can use GenKit to do dynamic model lookup to use latest Gemini models without updating packages. For more details, keep reading below. Build client-side integration directly in your apps. Firebase AI Logic client-side integration enables a variety of rich AI-powered scenarios without needing a custom backend. Thousands of apps in production today use the client-side integration, such as Meal Planner, a meal planning and shopping list management app; Life, an AI-powered diary assistant; Waveful, a social media app for creators. We are launching multiple new features to provide more flexibility with Gemini integration and expanded platform support. Access to the Gemini Developer API. You can now have the choice to use the Gemini Developer API in addition to the long available Vertex AI Gemini API. Now, when you access the Google Generative AI model directly from your app, you can choose the API provider that best fit for your specific requirements. The Gemini Developer API is the easiest way to get started with generative AI in your app. It has no cost tier to let you prototype quickly without friction and upgrade to the paid tier when you are ready to launch in production. This functionality is released in preview. The Vertex AI Gemini API remains the go-to for apps needing enterprise-grade features when availability, scalability, governance, and robust performance are critical for production apps. Vertex AI is built for those demands. Support for Vertex AI Gemini API is already available in GA. You can start with the Gemini Developer API, and if your need goes, you can then transition smoothly to the Vertex AI Gemini API. Switching between them is designed to be seamless, often just a change in how you initialize the service. More control and insights in AI monitoring dashboards. Understand how AI features are performing is crucial. Your AI monitoring dashboards that were already available for GenKit 2 also now supports requests to Firebase AI Logic client SDKs. You will get valuable insights into usage patterns, performance metrics, and debugging information for your Gemini API calls, helping you create a better experience for your users. Bringing generative AI to more platform. Unity support. Many of you in the game development community have asked for Unity support. We are thrilled to announce the preview of Firebase AI Logic SDK for Unity, so that you can integrate generative AI into games and Android XR experiences. This SDK is in parity with other Firebase AI Logic SDK, so you can generate text, images, and even build conversational AI experience using the bidirectional streaming Gemini Live API. Image generation capabilities from Gemini. Since earlier this year you could access image gen models client side for high quality text to image generation, now you have client side access to even more image generation capabilities and image editing through the Gemini models. With Gemini's multimodal capabilities, you can build more complex image interactions. Hybrid on device / in cloud model inference for Gemini Nano on Chrome. While accessing cloud models is essential for many tasks, running AI directly in the browser offers significant advantages like more privacy and supporting offline scenarios. to give you the flexibility of on-device AI using Gemini Nano for web apps running on Chrome. We are launching experimental support for hybrid inference through Firebase AI logic. How does it work? When your web app is running on desktop Chrome browser capable of running Gemini Nano locally, the SDK will attempt to run inference directly on the device. If on-device inference isn't possible, the SDK automatically and seamlessly fall back to a cloud-hosted Gemini model. To enable this hybrid approach, you need to set the mode prefer on-device when you instantiate your model. Build server-side AI experiences with GenKit with Firebase AI logic. Client SDK excel at simplifying client-side model access. Many AI applications require server-side flexibility and integration. For these scenarios, we offer GenKit, our powerful open source framework that supports server-side development in Firebase AI logic. GenKit provides you with robust AI capabilities and dedicated tooling for JavaScript, Node.js, Python, and Go. In case you aren't familiar with GenKit, here are some key features. Broad model support. Connects seamlessly to model from Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, Olama, and more through a unified, consistent interface. Streamline AI development. Implement powerful capabilities including structured output generation, automatic tool calling, RAG, human in the loop workflows, and agentic system. Developer experience first. Leverage the GenKit CLI and developer UI for rapid local testing, debugging with comprehensive tracing and robust evolution of AI features. Privacy and control. Protect sensitive prompts and maintain full control by keeping logic and data handling on your server. Deployment anywhere. Deploy to cloud functions for Firebase app hosting, cloud run on or any environment supporting the runtime of your choice. You can also quickly prototype apps powered by GenKit using Firebase Studio. Create any app that has AI feature and switch to code view to see exactly how GenKit works in an app. Expanded language support. GenKit is expanding its language support to include Go beta and Python alpha. The beta release for Go brings improved API stability and new capabilities as it rapidly approaches feature parity with our production ready JavaScript SDK. GenKit for Python is now available in alpha, providing early access for experimentation and community feedback as we shape its future direction. GenKit JS and developer UI updates. With the rapid improvements and release of new models, you can now more easily use the latest models and their features without needing to update any packages. This capability is already available for Google AI, Vertex AI, and Olama plugins. For GenKit JS version 1.8 plus, and it's coming soon to GenKit other languages and most popular third-party model providers. These plugin updates also enhance the GenKit developer UI experience. The latest Gemini models and any locally installed open source model automatically appear in the model and prompt runner, making exploration and comparison effortless. Share feedback. Your feedback is incredibly important. It genuinely shapes how we evolve Firebase. Let us know what you think, what works well, and what you would like to see next. You can reach us on this channel. Leave you feedback on any of this channel listed on our feedback page, like Firebase user voice on our GitHub repos. For GenKit, file issues for problems or new features on our GitHub, or visit our Discord to interact directly with our team and show us what you are building. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.